What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over Solana, currently sitting at 152, up about 4.6 on the day. Market cap 71.58 billion, 25 volume 2.61 billion. So we're continuing up. I do think there's a decent chance we push a little bit higher in the wave 3, potentially to break. Hey babe, can I call you back? Because I'm just filming a video.
Okay.
Okay, thanks babe, bye. Yeah, so break 153, push a little bit higher, potentially to 157 in the wave 3 before we pull back in a wave 4 and see continuation up in a wave 5. I talked about us pushing up to this resistance as the likely scenario, and so far that's looking good. We're just pushing above the daily EMA, so once you see that bullish cross, that's when we can see the continuation to the upside, breakout, retest, and continue up here in the bull market. This bearish scenario is no longer looking probable, and we can focus on the bullish scenario. So in the short term, push a little bit higher, break 153, potentially to 157, before seeing a larger pullback in a wave 4 and continuation back to the upside. That's what I'm looking at for Sol. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America, one of the few exchanges to trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your fees when you sign up through my link, top of the comments. Join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, as well as my Forex signals, mostly trading gold. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next, excuse me, video. Much love. Take care.